The Ohio RV and Boat Show at the Ohio Expo Center is going on now through the 20th. 3 enormous buildings for one-stop competitive shopping. Incredible pre-season savings from 31 Central Ohio dealers featuring RVs, boats, motorcycles, golf cars, ATVs, and more. Brought to you by Park National Bank. The Ohio RV and Boat Show, January 11th through 20th. Discount coupons at Myers, Subway, and Park National Bank. Or online at OhioRVandBoatShow.com. 39 years of outdoor fun, all brought to you at the Ohio Expo Center.